Alright, about to get some water real quick. A little bit of water. Real quick, because it is hot as hell outside. But, yeah. About to go in the store and get some water real quick. And, yeah. Gonna get a squirt bottle of this joint real quick. Yeah, good. Alright, thank you. Alright. So now, we back. Oh my, it's so warm. It's warm as crap out here today. I still dressed it like, I still dress like it, you know what I mean? I still dress like I don't want to be cold. Yeah, I just want a wheelie right now, but you know I gotta obey the traffic and all that, traffic laws and all that. So I'm gonna chill right now. But you know, you can't get on no bike without wheelie in it. You know what I mean? Like I don't know how. Look, I don't know how you can do it. Y'all stay tuned because I'm about to drive y'all and take y'all to see my dream house. My dream house is down here. Like, not even my dream house, but it's a house that I'm going to get before my dream house. I'm going to show y'all, though, what it is. Y'all stay tuned for that. We got BB out here on the road with us. It's hot, though. I could have took the hoodie off. Woo! About to go to them back roads right now. We about to just cruise out. Have some fun. My drawstrings, hold up. Something. What's that? What's hitting my helmet? Something's hitting my helmet. Where's BB at? She's floating. I think the string from my mic. I gotta fix that. The string is hitting my helmet for real. Damn. I gotta check on my recorder. Y'all peeping the scenery right now. I'm trying to get in front of this ambulance truck, man. Damn. I'm about to swerve them for I don't care. This truck is so wide though, like I can't do nothing right now. I hope she going to the gas station though, for real. I hope she going to the gas station, like, so I can regroup, but I can't tell her. We coming up on it right now. I gotta ask her. Hey. Is my... I might have to turn in somewhere. I'm trying to see my book bag. No, I said when I was driving, it kept smacking my helmet. Yeah, and you can hear that on your mic. That's why I was like, damn, I thought you was going to keep flying. I'm like, fuck. Woo. It's a nice day to be out here. Woo, this weather is crazy today. We got the forecast like 75 degrees or something like that. Yeah. But look at this road. Oh, mama, tear this up. Woo. Some water. Some little still lakes or something like that. It's too nice. Man. It's gonna be some practice on these turns too. Lean that bike. Lean with that bike, you know what I mean? Some good practice right here. Open roads, nice as hell. Cars behind us? A little bit. Woo! Oh my. Get some practice. Some nice roads right here. Practice turning and everything. Oh my, it's a nice little hill. Look at this, man. Hey, look, trust me out. Check me out. I don't even know where I'm at. I was driving and I just found this little road. I said, let me put this in the GPS when I get back round way on that bike for real and cruise up here. Look at this, man. It's in a cut. We ducked off right now. I don't even know where I'm at. I don't know if it's private property or not. Neighborhood watch. I don't know. Private community. Look at this house. About to UE. Go back around. Oh man. Oh, I broke it?
Yeah.
When? Huh? When? Is it broke? Damn. That was definitely coasting that joint, yeah. Did you see that? Did you see that Willie I just pulled? You said you not really? I just coasted that joint. First one was nasty though. Getting in there though, I'm getting in there. Woo! Fix this GoPro real quick. Ah! Damn! Ah! Damn! Look at my bike.